Ecological concerns are a constant in modern industrial development which is experiencing exponential growth. These concerns are of vital importance to stop the ever more present crisis of global warming. Emasagra, as a prime model of public and private cooperation, has stood at the vanguard of wastewater treatment for many years, serving as an example of diligence in reducing the impact of pollution on the environment. Biofactory South uses a conventional water treatment process which makes use of active sludge. We can identify 4 lines: water, sludge, biogas, and energy. The treatment in the water line means this precious resource can be integrated back into the environment. The liquid or semi-solid sludge produced by the process offers the opportunity to recover its components or condition them for further assessment. The treatment it's submitted to is determined by its origin. The first process to recover some of the byproducts is the desanding and degreasing pretreatment, followed by the primary decantation, where we retrieve the first sludge which already contains a small percentage of organic material. Subsequently, the water reaches the beating heart of the facility, the sludge bioreactors, where microorganisms get to work purifying the waste. After this biological process, the remaining sludge is purged in the secondary decantation, resulting in purified water, up to legislative standards, which can be returned to the Genaro River. Throughout the years, the facilities at Biofactory South have experimented great improvements in the water line. The line has undergone construction of new sublines equipped with primary decanters, bioreactors, and secondary decanters, as well as all necessary automation systems. These are equipped with top-of-the-line, last-generation electromagnetic equipment that guarantee the utmost efficiency and sustainability in the water treatment process. In tandem with this system, under the company's digital transformation, we have developed a digital twin of Biofactory South that will support management improvements in the facility with the help of artificial intelligence applied to different services. The integration of this emerging and disruptive technology favors the organization's digital mindset and high technical qualification of the workforce.